Good morning, student. And today we are going to discuss chapter playing with numbers. In this chapters, we are going to discuss test of divisibility. It means that divisibility is test of 2, divisibility test of 3, 4, and so on. Okay. So first we are going to discuss divisibility test of 10. You can see divisibility test of 10. So which types numbers, which number is divisible by 10? A number is divisible by 10 if its last digits, you can say unit digits, is 0. Any numbers that can be divisible by 10, its last digit, or you can say unit place digit is 0. So for examples, you can say here 210 is divisible by 10 because you can see the unit digit is 0, or unit place digit is 0, or last digit is 0. So in this way you can say this number means 210 is divisible by 10s. Also you can write like this, another example 8 7 6 2 4 0. So you can see 8,76,240 is divisible by 10 or not. So first you check the unit place digit. If unit place digit is divisible by, if unit place digit is 0, then the whole number is divisible by 10. Okay. And the examples you can write 9002500. So this number is divisible by 10 or not. So of course for this you know very well a number is divisible by 10 if its last digit means unit place digits is 0. So here you can see its last digit is 0, or you can see unit place is 0, then this number is divisible by 10s. And if you take another example 92803 So tell me this number is divisible by 0 or not. So for this we check unit place digit is 0, then the number is divisible by 10. If unit place digit is not 0, then the number is not divisible by 10. So here you can see unit place digit is not 0. This is 1. This is not equal to 0. So you can say the given number is not divisible by 10 because the unit place is not 0 of this number. So student, I hope all of you understood which number is divisible by 10 or not. Now we are going to going to discuss the divisibility test of 5, or divisibility by 5. So here you can write 5. Okay. So for this divisibility test of 5, if number have unit place digit 0 or 5, if a number is divisible by 5 if its last digits is 0 or 5. Any numbers, a number you can write here, a number is divisible by 5, a number is divisible by 5 if, what is if if its last digit is 0 or 5. If its last digit is 0 or 5. Any number that can be divisible by 5 if its last digit is 0 or 5. So you can see we take some example like that 5 6 2 0 3. So tell me this number will be divisible by 5 or not according to divisibility test of 5. According to divisibility test of 5, a number is divisible by 5 if its once digit or last digit is 0 or 5. But here you can see this is 3, not 0, not 5. So this number is not divisible by 5. You can write like this here 5. So of course this number is divisible by 5 because you can see its units place digit is 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its last digit is 0 or 5. Another example you can take that 2, 3, 5, 8, 0. Okay, so this number is divisible by 5 because according to divisibility test of 5, all those numbers with divisible by 5 whose last digit you can say whose one digit is 0 or 5, but you can see here the unit place digit is 0. It means that this number is divisible by 5. Now we are going to take divisibility by 2. Divisibility by 2. So student, I hope all of you understood that what is the divisibility test of 5. That all which number is divisible by 5, any number is divisible by 5 or not. How can we check without actual division? So you can check without actual divisions. You see the ones place digit. If ones place digit is 0 or 5, then you can say this number is divisible by 5. If ones place digit is not 0 or not 5, then you can say this number is not divisible by 5. So now we are going to discuss divisibility test, divisibility by 2 or divisibility test of 2. Okay, so divisibility test of 2. So a number is divisible by 2 if the last digit is divisible by 2. Okay, a number is divisible by 2. You can write here. A number is divisible by 2 if its last digit is divisible by 2. Last digit is divisible by 2. Any number that is divisible by 2 if its last digit is also divisible by 2. Okay, so for example you can take 284. So this number is 284. This is 284. This number is divisible by 2 or not. How can we check? We check its last digit. If its last digit is divisible by 4, then we can say the whole number is divisible by 4. So here you can see last digit is 4. Last digit is 4. So first divide 4 by 2. Then we obtain 2. It means that last digit is divisible by 2. So whole number then 284 is also divisible by 2. Another example you can take here 11,896. Okay, this is his number. Okay, so this number is divisible by 2 or not. So first we check the last digit of the number. If the last digit, it means that ones place digit is divisible by 2, then a whole number is divisible by 2. So you can check here 6 divided 2 how many times? 3 times. Here you can see 6 is divisible by 2. It means that 11,896 is divisible by 2. Now we take another example for divisibility test of 2. If you take this number 2189. Okay, so this number is divisible by 2 or not. So for this we check its last digit, or you can say unit place digit. Okay, if unit place digit is divisible by 2, then the whole number is divisible by 2. So here last digit is 9. If this is not divisible by 2, 9 is not 2 not divides 9, it means that whole number is not divisible by 2. So student, I hope all of you understood the divisibility test of 2. Now we are going to discuss next divisibility test of 3. Okay, here is digit. Divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of digit is divisible by 3. Okay, a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of digits of the number is divisible by 3. You can write here a number is divisible by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if sum of digits of number is divisible by 3, is divisible by 3. Clear? A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of digits of a number is divisible by 3. So for examples, we take some numbers and we check this number is divisible by 3 or not. Okay, so let's see. 7, 5, 4, 6, 2, 1, 2. Suppose this number is given. So this number is divisible by 3 or not. This number is divisible by 2, and this is clear because its unit place is 2. So 2 divides 2, it means that this number is divisible by 2. But in this case of 3, this number is divisible by 3 or not. For this, what we do? We first find the sum of the digit of the number. This is digit of the number. So first we write the sum of digits. Okay, sum of digits. A sum of digits is equal to here 7 plus 5 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2. You can see this is the digit of the numbers 7, 5, 4, 6, 2, 1, 2. Okay, here we need to sum it. So 7 plus 5 20, sorry, 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 6 22, 22 plus 2 24, 24 1 25, 25 plus 2 27. You can see here sum of this 26. Okay, so if you divide 27 in 9 times, here you can see this number is divisible by the sum of digit of the number is divisible by 3. It means that whole numbers is divisible by 3. Okay, this is clear. Okay, so you can write here this, which is so that this number sum of digit is divisible by 3 and that this number is also divisible by 3. Okay, so what is the divisibility test of 3? You can say sum of digit of the number is divisible by 3, then the whole numbers, then the number is divisible by 3. Here you can take a random one number. Okay, 75 lakh 46,212. We take a number, a random 75 lakh 46,212. So we need to find this number divisible by 3 or not. So for this, we find the sum of digit of these numbers. You can see the sum of digit of numbers is 27, and the unit variable 27 is divisible by 3. Then this number is divisible by 3. Now we take another example that this number is divisible by 3 or not. Okay, so 9 4 5 2 1 3 9 7. This number is divisible by 3 or not. How to check? How to we check? First we find the sum of digit of these numbers. So you can see this number is 9 4 5 2 1 3 9 and 7. Okay. So for this first we find the sum of digit of the numbers. Sum of digit of the number is, you write here, sum of digit is equal to, sum of digit of the number is equal to, we can write here 9 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 9 plus 7 is equal to 1. Okay, so you can see here 9 plus 4, this is a 9 4 5 2 1 3 9 7, and this is equal to digit of this numbers. Okay, so sum it, 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 5 18, 18 plus 2 20, 20 plus 1 21, 21 plus 3 24, 24 plus 9 33, and 33 plus 7 40. Okay, so you can see here sum of digit is 40. Sum of digit is 40, but you know very well 40 is not divisible by 3. It means that this number is also not divisible by 3. Clear? So student, I hope all have understood divisibility test, divisibility by 3. Okay, in this test we know if you want to check the given number is divisible by 3 or not. So for that first we find the sum of the digit of the number. If sum of digit of the number is not divisible by 3, then that number is not divisible by 3. For example, here you can see sum of digit is 40 of this numbers. 40 is not divisible by 3, so this number is not divisible by 3. Okay. Now we are going to discuss divisibility by 9. Okay. So let's see what is divisibility by 9. Next divisibility test is 9, divisibility by 9. In this test we know that a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. So, okay, a number, you can write here, a number is divisible by 9, divisible by 9 if it's a number is divisible by 9 if sum of its digit, if sum of its digit is divisible by 9, is divisible by 9, okay. A number is divisible by 9 if sum of its digits is divisible by 9. Clear? So for this we take a numbers like this. For example, we take this number 9 2 7 6 3 8 1 5 4 3 6. This is number. This number is divisible by 9 or not. So for this first we sign. First we need to find the sum of digits of the numbers. Okay. So sum of digits of the number we find here. Sum of digit. Sum of digit equal to 9 plus 2 plus 7 plus 6 plus 3 plus 8 plus 1 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 6. Okay, clear? Now this is equal to what? 2, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 7, 18, 18 plus 6, 24, 24 plus 3, 27, 27 plus 8, 35, 35 plus 1, 36, 36 plus 5, 41, 41 plus 5, 40, 41, again let's 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 7, 18, 18 plus 6, 18 plus 6, 24, 27, 35, 36, 41, 45, 45, 30, 48 and 54. Now 54, so you know very well 54 is divisible by 5, sorry 54 is divisible by 9. It means that this number is divisible by 9. Okay, you can write here which is divisible by 9. Sum of digit is 54. You can write here which is divisible by 9. Then you can write here hence 9, 2, 7, 6, 3, 8, 1, 5, 4, 3, 6 is divisible by 9. Okay, if sum of digit of the number is divisible by 9, then the number is also divisible by 9. Now let's see another examples and that verify the divisibility test of 9. Okay, so suppose we can see another example. Divisibility we take 1, 1, 2, 6, 5, 6, 1. Okay, this number is divisible by 9 or not. So first we find the sum of digit of this number. Sum of digit of this number is sum of digit. This is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 6 plus 5 plus 6 plus 1. Here you can see sum of digit 2, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 6, 10, 15, 21, 22. This is called 22. So you know very well 22 is not divisible by 2, not divisible by 9. Okay, 22 is which is not divisible by 9. You can write here. This is which is not divisible by 9. Which is not divisible by 9. So this number is not divisible by 9. Clear? So student, I hope all of you understood that divisibility by 9. Now we are going to divisibility by 4. So let's see what is the divisibility by 4. Divisibility by 4. Divisibility test of 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last two digits, unit place and tens place, and digit is divisible by 4. Okay. A number is divisible by 9. Okay. A number is divisible by 9 if the number formed. If you can say if the last two digit of the number is divisible by 4, then this number is divisible by 4. Okay, so we can take some example. 3 5 0 7 3 6. Okay, this number, suppose this number is divisible by 4 or not. So according to the divisibility test of 4, we take last two digits and form numbers. If the last two digits of the number is divisible by 4, then that number is also divisible by 4. So here last two digit is 36. You can see here 36 is divisible by 4 9 times. It means that this number is also divisible by 3,50,736. Okay, this number is divisible by 4 or not. So for this, according to divisibility test of 4, is that last two digit of the number, if last two digit means 1 digit and 10th digit, if the number forms by 1 digit and 10th digit, if the number is divisible by 4, then whole number is divisible by 4. So last two digits is here 36. Okay, 36 by divisible by 4. So it means that this number 3,50,736 is also divisible by 4. Okay, so we take another example of divisibility test. Divisibility by 4 2 1 4 3 6 4 1. So this number is divisible by 4 or not. 21,43,641. This number is divisible by 4 or not. So for this we take last two digits of the number. So last two digits of the number is this. This is 41. And if you divide 41 by 4, this is not divisible by 4. 41 is not divisible by 4. Then this number is not divisible by 4. Okay, because 41 is the last two digit of this number, and 41 is not divisible by 4. Then this number is not divisible by 4. So student, I hope all of you understood the divisibility test of 4. We take another example for the divisibility test of 4 is that 9 8 7 6 2 1 6. Okay, so you can see here question is that this number is divisible by 4 or not. So for this, for the divisibility test of 4 is that if a number is divisible by 4, if the last two digit is divisible by 4. So first we take last two digit. Last two digit is 10 plus 1 plus is 16. Okay, 16 divisible by 4. So you can see this number is also divisible by 4. Okay, in this number first we take last two digit. So last two digit is 16. So 16 is divisible by 4, and then this number is also divisible by 4. Now we are going to discuss the divisibility test of 8. What is the divisibility test of 8? Okay, in this test, a number is divisible by 8 if the last three digit of the number is divisible by 8. If last three digit of the number is divisible by 8. Okay, so for example, you can see here, you take any random numbers 9 4 8 6 4. Okay, so this number is divisible by 8 or not. So for this we take last third digit number. So you can see last third digit number is this 8 6 4. This is last third digit number. If you divide by 8, so you have obtained here 8 1 8. Can see, and here we bring down 64 ones together. So here 8 8 is 64. Okay, 8 7. So 8 8 is 64. It means that in this numbers you can see the last three digit of the number is divisible by 8. Then you can say this number is whole number is divisible by 8. Okay, so what is the divisibility test of 8? A number is divisible by 8 if the last three digit of the number is divisible by 8, then whole numbers is divisible by 8. Clear? Next examples of this divisibility test. So if you take 8 0 0 5 4 1 2. Okay. So this number is divisible by 4 or not? For this, we take last 3 digits of the number. If last 3 digits of the number is divisible by 8, then this number is divisible by 8. Okay. So what is the divisibility test of it? You know very well. A number is divisible by 8 if the number found by its last 3 digits is divisible by 8. So last 3 digits is 4, 12, 1, 2. In this you will find 412. And you can see here 412 is not divisible by 8. It means that this number is not divisible by 8. So student, I hope all of you understood divisibility test of 8. So this is enough for today, and divisibility test of 11, 7, 6 and 15 we will discuss in next video. So thank you for watching. Jai Hind.